Welcome to a weekend vlog, guys.
Focus, 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 focus.
This vlog, we are refocusing. We are building healthy habits, like holding myself accountable, because this past week it's been crazy. Like, I have just been out of my routine and it's driving me insane a bit because I am such a routine person. My bedroom is filthy, the house is filthy. I need to do something about it. So yeah, this weekend vlog, we're all about getting our lives together. So I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I'm quickly taking out my bedding because I want to wash it, even though the weather is looking a bit sketchy. And then before I start cleaning, I'm gonna make myself something quick to eat, because I've noticed that when I haven't eaten and I am getting busy and all that, I start getting hot flashes, and that's not cute. And I didn't eat last night, so I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make myself like just a small something to bambisa before I make myself a proper breakfast. At 2 p.m. I have a nail appointment, so we're gonna go do our nails later on, and we'll see the rest of the things later.
Here we are, right here together, side by side beside each other, drifting through the sweet melody. Love the air, I love the
FCK. No. got the family fiesta again. Then there's unless I'm gonna take the 4 wings that I can get you your 4. Do you want Zinga?
No, wait, let's
Right. Also waar right, maar right. Outside I have his lights coming from somewhere. Hey guys, my sister and I are back. I'm so sorry I couldn't update you from, like, I think I last spoke to you guys in the morning. Came back from KFC to buy food. We also passed by Spa to buy some veggies for tomorrow. Also got the buns, some Zinga wings. Also got the kids I think this is the Colonel burger. We got some fries. This is not large fries. I got the family fiesta. It comes with the fries and the gravy thingies. While we're eating, my sister and we need to catch up on The Real Housewives of Durban. Well, I've missed 2 episodes now.
Christians are good at sometimes focusing on things they shouldn't be focusing on. When somebody comes and confides to you, they are coming because God has lined you up. That you are a place of healing. You are a source of encouragement. You cannot inflict more wound that already are wounded.
Hey guys, it's Sunday today. The tap decided to act up yesterday, like the water was leaking like crazy. It was fine in the morning, surprisingly. So when I got back from doing my nails, I came back to my grandmother and sister trying to... It's just a lot. So my sister and I will be heading to Builder's Warehouse to buy another tap. And then, as you guys saw earlier, I was actually watching a church service online. It's actually my church, but I was catching up on last week's church service before I watch the one here this week. I also want to take my moringa this morning. It's something that I also want to change within my routine. I used to take it in at night, so now I want to take it in the morning, same time as my collagen. So I'll be having those in the morning, and then at night I'll just drink my green tea. So yeah, I'm almost done cooking. I was cooking earlier, so I'm just finishing up right now. And then my sister and I will head out as soon as I am done cooking. My sister and I look so lost. Adulting is real hard. Oh, this top looks so pretty. This one.
This one might be expensive.
Ne? A. Yeah. just finished planning my week. We have a new tap. I'm about to dish up now. I'm about to dish up now so that I can take my nap later, and then yeah, and then I can go bath properly. Hi guys, just woke up from my nap and the way it's just so quiet just made me realize that it's so important to detach from social media, because I'm literally always on my phone scrolling, never mind editing, but social media to be specific. I also haven't been reading my Bible that often, so it's something that I want to prioritize, you know, add it to my routine and make it like a habit so that it can become a lifestyle. It's something that I really need to teach myself, especially in the morning, because I do pray in the morning every time I wake up. I just need to read my Bible more often. So I'm just gonna read a scripture before going to bath right now. Then I'm gonna prepare my breakfast for tomorrow. As for lunch, I will have the Sunday leftovers from today. The last time I had a sheet mask on my face. This is about to feel really good. Oh, it feels so nice. I'm probably exaggerating now. Okay. So I'm gonna make cooked oats for breakfast for this week. Overnight oats is okay. Cooked oats is much better. I'll show you guys how I do it. I probably look funny talking with this thing on. Let me stop. I feel like this vlog has been productive. Honestly, it's been a productive vlog. It's currently 8 p.m. and quickly want to do something for work, and then I'm gonna make my tea in a few minutes. But I just also wanted to close off the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this weekend vlog, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.